want to talk a little bit about an avalanche in the Wood River Valley. It happened about 1 o'clock this afternoon in Ketchum. Witnesses say the snowslide started as a gentle roar and picked up momentum, ultimately taking out 100 feet of tall trees. The snow snapped the evergreens like kindling. Only 2 houses in the path, but both were pushed off their foundations. Rachel, that is amazing, and this is the time of year you talk about those warmer temperatures.
We have everything, Don, right now that makes avalanche danger so prime. Look at those trees just swaying as that snow. There goes one, just toppled over. And it seems slow, but it's so much force. So we have the snow that's melting, right? We have those warming temperatures. That makes it unstable enough. And now we have a system coming in that's bringing more precipitation and incredibly gusty winds. And all of that is prime recipe for these avalanches.